Have you been searching for an online job that you can do from home that's actually legit, that you could make money from, so you can actually pay your bills on time, not rob Peter to pay Paul, not have to take your calculator out when you go to the grocery store? Done that many, many times. Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm a mom of 3 wonderful boys who are all grown up now, doing wonderful in their lives. And I'm a wife, and I have 2 doggies. I am a respiratory therapist of 10 years, and I started looking for a side hustle that I could do, that I could make extra income so I didn't have to pick up 48, 60 hours a week and kill myself because it's doing a number on my body. So if this is you, this video is for you guys. So this side hustle, you can make money up to $900 a day, multiple times a day. There is no limit to how many times you can make that. You buy the program, it's called the Legacy Builders Program. You turn around, you market it, you promote it, and you resell it. You make 100% profit. So the first time you resell the program, your investment's paid off. Remember, you're investing in your future, your family's future. This is a business. It is not a get-rich scheme, you guys. This is something that's going to take hard work, dedication. You have to be coachable. You have to be willing to plug into the videos. It is a live, continuous, integrative program. It's not just something you buy the course, they throw at you, and you have to figure out how to do it. Done that, lost a lot of money on several different scams. This is not a scam, it is actually legit. There is live webinars bi-weekly. There is mentoring webinars. There are thousands of videos. They teach you, they guide you step by step how to set up your online business. Once you get all that done, then the second part of this e-learning program is you decide what you want to rebrand. If you want to do affiliate marketing, they teach you and guide you how to do that. They teach you how to do social media. It's so easy. This is the easiest thing I have done ever in my life, like literally. The 2-hour workday, I will go into another video about what that includes, but literally, it took me a while to get to where I was doing everything in 2 hours because it's a lot to learn at first. But now I get it done in like an hour, because I'll tell you why, but an hour is what it takes me a day to do it, you guys. So if you are interested, you want more information on this side hustle where you can make money online and not have to suffer. You know, Christmas is coming up. How many people had to put Christmas on credit cards and go into further debt? And that's that vicious little wheel that you keep spinning around on. That's me. So do you want to get off that? If you do, put ready in the comments. I'll get the information out to you. I'm here to help everybody become financially free. Let's do this. Have a great day, you guys.